Hi, Melinda Jean Stafford here, your neighborhood beekeeping education specialist with D&B Supply. Spring is sprung and I'm getting my gear ready for this next season, and I've noticed that my veil has quite a few holes in the front of it, and I've used needle and thread to fix it a number of times, and now I'm coming up with a more creative solution. Check it out. All right, check this out. I have replaced the front panel with acrylic. It's a thin and lightweight sheet, similar to what folks use in picture frames instead of glass. And what I did was I hot glued it around the perimeter of the exact shape I needed for this front panel. Now, this will only work if your beekeeping veil is flat in the front, not curved. I'm interested to see how this holds up over time. I'm a little nervous about it getting dirty and beeswax on it and propolis, but I think it'll come off pretty easily with some typical glass cleaner. So let's give it a shot. Keep your bees buzzing, y'all.